Hello my friend, welcome to Smart Trader channels. I'm Chris. I make video about trading strategies and I really want you to become a profitable trader by show you how to trade with each trading strategy and read the indicator signal correctly. So in this video, I'm going to show you 5-minute trading strategies for forex, stock, crypto. It doesn't matter. It's work on all market and all time frame. So for this strategy, we need the SSL Hybrid indicator, the 50 EMA indicator, and QQE Mod histogram. You can check the setting in the description below. So this is the New Zealand USD pair and 5-minute time frame. Okay, I will show you how to trade the buy and sell signal. Okay, for buy signal, when price above the moving average and the market did not in the overbought market, identified by QQE Mod. Okay, let me analyze the trade. The market in the uptrend, go into the consolidations to build up the order. Price above the 50 moving average, as you can see here. So now I will wait for the market breakout of the trading range and entry when the price retests of the trading range. Okay, the stop loss will below the range low and the risk and rewards at least 1-to-1. Okay, not a buy trade like this. Price in the uptrend, go into the consolidations to build up order. Identify a trading range. Wait for price breakout of the trading range and enter a buy. Stop loss below the range low, risk and rewards at least 1-to-1. Okay, when the price in the trends and then signal a overbought market like this. So please do not buy because this is the formal trading and price will reverse quickly. Okay, for sell, we sell when the price below the 50 moving average. Price in the downtrend, go into consolidations. I hope you can identify the trading range like I did. And price breakout of the trading range with a good breakout bar. Wait for the market retest and enter a sell. Stop loss above the range high, risk and rewards at least 1-to-1. Okay, and when the market showed in oversold market, as you can see here, please do not sell when price breakout of the trading range here and retest, because you will stop loss. I hope you understand. Another buy trade, price above the 50 moving average, buy in the uptrend, go into consolidations to build up order. I hope you can identify the trading range like I did and breakout with a good breakout bar, retest. Long here, risk and rewards at least 1-to-1. Okay, but now as you can see here, and here is here, price didn't oversold, but I'm sorry, price did not show an overbought, but here to swing high, rise, so the oversold market. Oh, sorry, overbought market. So if you can identify the signal, please close a trade after you see the overbought market signal by QQE, or even you can close a trade with a break even. Okay, I hope you can do that. The experience will teach you how to do that. Study the charts. Please study the chart. Another sell signal, the market in the trading range, right? Breakout trading range with a good breakout bar. Buy, retest the range low, rise below the 50 moving average, sell when retest. The stop loss above the range high, and risk and rewards at least 1-to-1. Okay, I hope you understand this strategy. This strategy is very simple and very effective if you follow the rule. Hope you know how to buy and sell now. Remember, always trade with the trend, always trade in line with the EMA, only risk 1 or 2% per trade. Study and backtest before using real money. If you have any questions, comment below. If you enjoyed this video, please subscribe. Good luck and good trading.